powering industries with reliable pumping, heat transfer, and railway engineering solutions. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are introducing the complete range of industrial engineering solutions offered by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, your trusted global partner for industrial products, engineering consultancy, procurement support, quality assurance, inspection services, and worldwide sourcing solutions. Whether you are an EPC contractor, manufacturing company, refinery, power plant, chemical processing facility, railway organization, or infrastructure developer, selecting reliable industrial equipment is critical for maintaining productivity, reducing downtime, improving efficiency, and ensuring operational safety. At URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, we work with globally recognized and technically qualified manufacturing partners to provide reliable, high-performance industrial equipment that meets international quality standards. Our services extend beyond product supply. We provide complete engineering support, technical consultation, third-party inspection, vendor qualification, procurement management, factory acceptance testing, logistic coordination, and after-sales support for projects across India and worldwide. In today's video, we will explore our complete product portfolio, understand various industrial applications, discuss how these products improve operational efficiency, and explain why industries trust URGS as their engineering solutions partner. About URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited is an engineering-driven organization providing comprehensive industrial solutions across multiple sectors. Our core strengths include industrial equipment supply, engineering consultation, technical product selection, third-party inspection, vendor assessment, supplier quality development, procurement support, factory acceptance testing, pre-dispatch inspection, export documentation, global supply chain management, international logistics coordination. With extensive industry knowledge and strong relationships with reputed manufacturers worldwide, URGS International bridges the gap between reliable manufacturers and industrial buyers by offering technically suitable, quality assured products backed by professional engineering services. Industrial pumping solutions. Industrial pumps form the backbone of almost every manufacturing process. Selecting the correct pump significantly improves plant efficiency, reliability, safety, and operational cost. URGS International supplies a comprehensive range of industrial pumps suitable for numerous applications. Gear pumps. Gear pumps are positive displacement pumps designed for transferring lubricating oils, fuels, resins, adhesives, polymers, chemicals, and other viscous liquids. Applications include oil circulation systems, hydraulic systems, fuel transfer, chemical dosing, bitumen plants, lubrication systems, marine applications. Advantages include constant flow, excellent volumetric efficiency, reliable performance, low maintenance, long service life. Foot gear pumps. Foot-mounted gear pumps are designed for stable installation in heavy industrial environments. They offer vibration-free operation and are widely used in industrial lubrication systems and oil transfer applications. Flange-mounted gear pumps. These compact pumps integrate directly with motors, reducing space requirements while improving alignment and maintenance. HFO pumps. Heavy fuel oil pumps are specifically designed for handling highly viscous fuel oils under demanding industrial conditions. Applications include power plants, marine engines, industrial burners, boiler fuel systems, refineries. Fuel pumps. Fuel pumps are essential for diesel, furnace oil, biodiesel, kerosene, and industrial fuel transfer applications. They ensure continuous and controlled fuel delivery for industrial processes. Lube oil pumps. Lubrication pump systems depend upon reliable lube oil pumps to reduce friction and extend equipment life. Industries include steel plants, cement, power, mining, marine, heavy engineering. High pressure lube oil pumps designed for high pressure lubrication systems used in turbines, compressors, gearboxes, and heavy machinery. Screw pumps. Screw pumps provide smooth pulsation free flow. These pumps are ideal for heavy oils, bitumen, lubricants, marine fuels, food products, viscous chemicals. Advantages include quiet operation, low vibration, high efficiency, excellent suction capability. Single screw pumps suitable for abrasive, shear sensitive, and viscous materials including sludge, wastewater, food paste, cosmetics, paper pulp, chemical slurry. Triple screw pumps. Triple screw pumps are preferred in high pressure lubrication systems because they offer continuous vibration free flow. Applications include steam turbines, gas turbines, compressors, marine propulsion, power generation. LDO pumps. Light diesel oil pumps provide reliable transfer of diesel and light petroleum products. Vertical centrifugal pumps. Ideal where installation space is limited, commonly used in cooling water systems, fire protection, industrial process water, tank applications. Thermic fluid pumps. These pumps safely circulate high temperature heat transfer fluids. Industries include chemical plants, food processing, textiles, bitumen, packaging, pharmaceutical manufacturing. Chemical process pumps manufactured using corrosion resistant materials to handle aggressive chemicals safely. Applications include acids, alkalis, solvents, petrochemicals, pharmaceutical chemicals. Vertical chemical pumps designed for chemical storage tanks where submerged pumping is required. Slurry pumps. Heavy duty slurry pumps transport abrasive materials including mineral slurry, coal slurry, fly ash, sand, or tailings. High pressure pumps used in hydro testing, boiler feed, water jetting, cleaning systems, industrial processing. High pressure plunger pumps designed for extremely demanding applications requiring high pressure with precision flow control. Applications include hydrostatic testing, reverse osmosis, water blasting, industrial cleaning, process injection. Heat transfer solutions now. Let us see this. Heat exchangers play an essential role in industrial process optimization. Their primary purpose is to efficiently transfer heat between fluids while minimizing energy consumption. URGS International offers various heat transfer systems designed for maximum thermal efficiency. Industrial tube heat exchangers. Tube heat exchangers are widely used where high pressure and temperature conditions exist. Industries include refineries, chemical plants, power plants, oil and gas. Steel, marine. Advantages: high reliability, easy maintenance, long operational life. Then next is carbon steel heat exchangers. Designed for heavy industrial environments where corrosion conditions permit carbon steel construction. Plate heat exchangers. Plate heat exchangers provide extremely efficient heat transfer with compact design. Applications include food processing, HVAC, pharmaceutical manufacturing, chemical industries, dairy plants, breweries. Advantages: compact size, lower energy consumption, easy maintenance, high efficiency. Customized heat exchange systems. Many industries require tailor-made thermal solutions. URGS International supports customized engineering solutions based on customer process requirements, operating conditions, pressure ratings, and international standards. Industrial filtration solutions. Clean fluid significantly improves equipment reliability. URGS International supplies industrial filtration products including duplex strainers, continuous flow filtration systems. These systems protect pumps, valves, heat exchangers, compressors, hydraulic systems, boilers. Advantages include reduced on time, improved equipment life, lower maintenance costs, enhanced operational efficiency. Railway engineering products. The railway sector demands high reliability and strict quality standards. URGS International supplies various railway engineering products including locomotive spare parts, Cummins locomotive engines, railway wagons, railway components, engineering products. We support railway operators, infrastructure developers, maintenance organizations, and industrial transport projects. Industries we serve. Our products are widely used across numerous industries including oil and gas, petrochemical, chemical processing, power generation, steel, mining, marine, offshore, food processing, pharmaceutical manufacturing, water treatment, paper, pulp, textiles, sugar plants, fertilizer plants, cement, infrastructure, railways, metro projects, EPC companies. Now, why choose URGS International? See, choosing URGS International means selecting a reliable engineering partner. We provide much more than industrial products. Our value added services include technical consultation, engineering product selection, global sourcing, vendor qualification, supplier development, third party inspection, factory acceptance test, pre dispatch inspection, procurement management, supply chain optimization, export documentation, worldwide logistics support, quality assurance, international project coordination, competitive commercial solutions. Our mission is to ensure customers receive technically correct products from qualified manufacturers with complete engineering support. At last conclusion, thank you for watching. We hope this overview has helped you understand the comprehensive industrial solutions offered by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Whether your requirement involves industrial pumps, screw pumps, gear pumps, heat exchangers, filtration systems, railway engineering products, procurement support, technical consultation, inspection services, or complete project supply, our experienced engineering team is ready to assist. From initial product selection to final delivery, URGS International is committed to providing quality, reliability, technical excellence, and long-term customer satisfaction. Thank you. So, if you are planning a new project, expanding your manufacturing facility, upgrading your equipment, or looking for a dependable global sourcing partner, connect with URGS today. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile / WhatsApp number is +91 73 59 45 8455. We are 24/7 available on WhatsApp. Please contact us through WhatsApp for any query. Please like this video, share it with your professional network, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell to receive updates on industrial engineering products, inspection services, quality assurance, procurement solutions and technical training. Thank you for watching. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Engineering excellence, global procurement, industrial solutions, inspection, quality assurance, worldwide supply partner. Thank you again.